Hello guys, it's Corbyn. Today we're outside because we're going to do our puppy playtime outside here with Corbyn. Corbyn, come here. So today we're going to play with some bubbles and Corbyn's ball. And we're going to practice his come outside so that he will start coming to me when we're outside. Then we'll probably play one of Corbyn's favorite games, which is keep away from my mom. So he'll run away from me and zoom around. But yeah, so we are outside today in Corbyn's fenced in area, so he's not just loose. We are in a fenced in area. So he is really excited, and I am too. By the way, my name is Liz, and this is my puppy Corbyn. He's a Pembroke Welsh Corgi, and he is ready to go. He's grabbing his ball. And this is Get Your Play Online, and we're very excited to get our play outside. Well done, buddy. There you go. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put on some sunscreen. Since we are outside, I want to make sure that I don't get sunburned because I do have really pale skin. And it is really important to put on sunscreen when you are going to be outside for an extended period of time. Great. Corbyn. Shh. No barking. Corbyn. Alright, so now I am all sunscreened. So let's talk about some of the benefits of playing outside. So, playing outside can help you guys to have increased energy. It allows you to get those wiggles out. And there's so many fun things that you can do outside since it is a really nice day out here today. And you can play with your dog or outside. Maybe if you have a pool, you can play in the pool. There's so many super duper fun things that you can do outside that allow you to get your wiggles out, and afterwards it'll help you to sleep better, it'll help your energy level, and it'll help you to really just feel good. It'll help your body feel really good. So that's why I like to play outside. Corbyn likes to play outside because it allows him to run and exercise, and since he is a corgi, corgis have a lot of energy and they have a lot of pretty silly, funny energy that they need to get out. So Corbyn likes to play outside because it allows him to really just get that puppy energy and corgi energy because they are a very high energy dog. So he really likes to play outside with me because it allows him to get his wiggles out. He's over there right now playing. Corbyn! He's roughing in something right now. Corbyn, come here. Come here. Alright, so we are going to start off by playing some fetch because fetch is one of Corbyn's favorite things in the entire world. So I have this big orange ball that he loves that I'm going to play with him outside with. And he is over there. Corbyn. Alright. Let's get started with fetch. And if you guys want to play ball at home and you don't have a dog to play fetch with, you could maybe grab your parents or caregiver Or if you have siblings, you could grab a sibling and you can play catch with whatever ball you have. Corbyn, get it. For some reason, he was distracted. Did he? Corbyn, Corbyn, ready? Go get it. Right here. Right here. Sometimes he doesn't like to share, which is not very good. Corbyn. Corbyn. Mama's gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Come in. Ready? 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 What you doing? For some reason, he doesn't seem to want to play fetch right now. Did he? Dropped it. Corbyn, come here. Are you distracted by the other puppy that's barking outside, Corbyn? Corbyn. Let's try some fetch a little bit later. Let's see if we can do some bubbles. So, Corbyn is a bit spoiled. So he has his own bubble machine and these bacon flavored bubbles to put in them. So I am going to just pour a little bit of the bubble solution into the bubble machine. And I'm going to set the bubbles down so I don't spill it everywhere. And then there's a little button on the back of this bubble machine that you turn it on with. And I'm going to set it right here. I love playing with bubbles with him because it's pretty funny. He's only played with them a couple times before, but he does enjoy it. Oh, hold on. He's chasing them right now. And I'm getting bubbles in the face. Can you guys see him over there chasing the bubbles? Corbyn, come here. You can get the bubbles? Ready? Can you get them? Are you getting them? Do you guys like playing with bubbles at home? I do. I love bubbles. They're so fun. I love this bubble machine too. It's a really good one. Lifts out a lot of bubbles. Come get the bubbles! Are you getting them, Corbyn? Corbyn. These bubbles, they are bacon flavored. So they apparently taste like bacon when he eats them. Corbyn, come eat the bubbles. Let's see if we can get him to come closer. Corbyn, come here. Oh, and now he's chasing his bees. Corbyn, come here. Tips from Corbyn of what not to do. Chasing bees is a no. Sit. Over here. Sit. Sit. Good boy. Are you gonna choose the bubbles? Can you get them? Get the bubbles. Get them. Can you get them? Come here. Come pop them. Come on, to pop them. Can you get them? The wind is blowing them the other way now. It's not too windy, but it's a nice, gentle wind out here today. Let's readjust so I can actually see. I'm using my webcam, or we have a separate webcam that I'm using. So. I think we're almost out of bubbles in our bubble machine, Corbyn. Once we're out of bubbles, I think we're pretty much out of bubbles. Let's go ahead and try to play fetch again. See if he wants to do some fetch. And then if not, we'll play one of his favorite games, which is Chase his mom. Come here. Come here. Hi, bug. Hi, can you say hi? And I'm always careful when I pick him up because corgis are really long. So if I were to pick him up the wrong way, it would hurt his back. Corbyn, come here. Ready? Go get it. Bring here. What are you doing? Come here. Ready? Ready? Go get it. He likes playing fetch. He's not bringing it back very well today, though, for some reason. I think he's a little distracted. You're a little distracted. There's lots going on out today. I think it's a nice day. People like to be outside. And now he's carrying it off. Go get it. You goofball. You goof. He's a goofball. Okay, you want down. There you go. Well, let's practice his come to see if he will come to me. Come here. Good boy. Good boy. Come here. Corbyn. Can you do a sit? Whoop. We don't want you having more than one right now. Sit. So right now in training, Corbyn's practicing his sit so that he gets it down really well. So what I do is I make him sit, and then I walk away from him backwards, and he has to stay like that. So he's doing a really good job of that right now. So I'm going to give him a treat. And for treats, I like to, he really enjoys these ones. They're called soft well bites. And this is the turkey and duck recipe. He seems to really enjoy them, so I use these. Come here. Sit. And I like to walk in all different directions so that he doesn't... Oh no! You didn't do it! Come here. Corbyn, come. Sit. So he has to stay there until I give him another command. Which I have not given him another command yet. Just a good boy. Should we practice a couple more sits and then do some come? Corbyn, come. Sit. Corbyn, sit. Good boy, say. And then I'm just going to walk off in all different types of directions backwards. And he stayed there, so I'm going to give him a treat. And if he didn't, I would just reset him. Do you want another treat? Alright, so now since he's sitting and staying there, I'm going to give him another command, which my command is going to be come. But I didn't give him a command yet. Corbyn, come! Corbyn, come! Sit! Good boy. So he came to me, so I'm going to reward him with the treats. Good boy. Come here. Stay. Corbyn, come! Corbyn, come! Sit! Good boy. Now I'm going to go over here. Corbyn, sit! Sit! Good boy. Stay. And then I'm all the way against this fence. Corbyn, come! Sit. Good boy. So I just like to reward everything that he does. That's good that I want him doing. So now he's focused on me and the treats. So let's see if we can get him to play fetch now. Because before he was a little distracted. But now all of his attention is on me because I just gave him a lot of treats. So let's see if we can get this to work. Okay, ready? 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 Go get it! Right here. Awesome. So now he's focused on me because I just gave him treats. Oh, and you dropped the ball over there. What are you doing? Okay, ready? Ready? Go get it. I should try and get him to zoom so that you guys can see. Corgis are known for being really fast, and Corbyn is no exception. He is really fast. Corbyn, ready? Ready? Go get it. And while Corbyn's looking at something else, I'm just going to grab a drink of water because it's important to stay hydrated when you're playing outside. So I have my huge water bottle. I'm going to grab a drink out of it really quick. Okay. So now I'm going to play one of Corbyn's favorite games, which is Keep Away from Mom. So what I do, really, I don't know if you can see him right now, but he is laying down. Real ambitious, my puppy. Mommy's gonna get you. I'm 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 gonna move this out of the way so you can see a little better. I'm gonna get you. Oh, you gotta go potty. Okay, go potty. Ready? Ready? Oh, I got you. Oh, I got you. Okay, ready? 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 Go get you. Ready? Go get you. Last night when I play it, every night we usually play this outside to get his energy out right before bed. And by the end of it, he's usually zooming around me in circles. Corbyn. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Ready? Come on. Come here. Guys, this isn't even his full zoomy speed. Come here. Come here. boy. There we go. I think my web camera just fell a little bit. There we go. Hi. So this is just one of the things I like to do with him to get him a little bit of exercise. Gets me a little bit of exercise as well. The other thing I like to do is we like to go for walks. So I usually take him for a walk about once every day. And Corbyn has a harness that I take him for a walk with. Corbyn, come here. Really? I don't know if you can see him right now, but he is laying down. Are you tired? Why are you tired? What are you doing? Get your ball. Right here. Corbyn. Really? He honestly loves being outside. He, if he could, would just lay out here for hours. I'm gonna throw some more bubbles on and then we'll see if he will play with them this time. You wanna sniff them? Did they sniff like bacon? I don't think you ever had bacon, Corbyn. So I just put some more into the bubble machine. Go get the bubbles. Get them. Corbyn is still learning to love the bubbles. Oh, and he's by the door. Are you ready to go inside? I think Corbyn is ready to go inside. Come here, Corbyn. Here. Let's get you a treat. I think we are going to call that good. But let's quickly, before we go, review some of the things that we talked about today. So, some reminders are, not right here. Okay. Some reminders are that when you're playing outside, it's really important to put on sunscreen before so that you don't get sunburned. And especially for people who are pale like me, I get really sunburned if I'm outside for a really long time and don't put sunscreen on. So I like to make sure I put on sunscreen if I'm going to be outside at all. And it's important to always have water when you're outside. I'm going to get Corbyn inside right after this and get him some water as well, because if you guys can remember, your pets need water just as much as you do. So it's important to make sure that they're also hydrated So I'm going to make sure that Corbyn gets a drink right away when we go inside. And the benefits of being outside are that you can let out all your wiggles and you can get some exercise, which is good for your body, and it helps your body feel really, really good. And it helps you to sleep better at night when your energy is all out. So that helps you sleep better, which gives you more energy. Can you sit? Sit. Good boy. Thanks for watching, you guys. Make sure you guys enjoy some outside time today, since it is a beautiful day, at least where I am. Me and Corbin are enjoying some outside time this morning. Well, it's not too terribly hot out. And we are going to go get some water so we can stay hydrated. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this outdoor playtime with Corbin. I hope this gives you some ideas of how you can play outside by yourself or with family members, or gives you some ideas of how you can play outside with your puppies or dogs, those kinds of things. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you guys later. Make sure you guys are watching out for the rest of our activities that we have going on today and tomorrow and the rest of the week. Bye, guys. Me and Corbin will see you guys next week on Tuesday, same time. Oh, and I forgot to mention, next week is going to be a really exciting puppy playtime, because my best friend is somebody who helps out with 4-H. I don't know if you guys all know what 4-H is, but the fairs that you go to, she helps with dog training with those. And she's going to bring her dog that she used to show in fairs, named Caleb, over. And Caleb and Corbin are going to have some playtime. And Emily, my best friend, is going to show some of the skills that you need to know for showmanship and obedience, which are two of the categories in dog shows. So she's really excited to show you guys some of the skills that Caleb has, and to show some of the things that he can do, and how you can train your own dog to do some of those obedience skills. So I'm looking forward to having her over. So if you have any questions, you can always, for my best friend Emily, to ask next week about showmanship or obedience, you can drop them in the comments so that she knows and that she can answer them for you guys next week. And I will make sure I will monitor that, and if there's any questions, I will get those to her. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys later.